Alright, I picked up this little Symphonic TV VCR combination today, and I thought at first seemed like I wasn't going to do a video of it, but I changed my mind because it's got something unique. The VCR slides in much like the Motorola TVs that had the works in the drawer. I thought that was kind of neat. So the symptom is that the VCR has a tape stuck in it, and what happens is when I try to eject it, it kills power to the TV and all that other stuff. So we'll see what's going on with this and see if we can fix it. You notice there's cords with several plugs, and I believe this set actually might have seemed like it was smoked around. And there are plugs on the back of the VCR portion where you normally have the coax and stuff connected in the back there on table model VCRs. And here's the input and output jacks for the TV VCR, and there's the coaxial input. And I forgot to mention in the last video that I noticed a few critters fell out of the TV when I started taking it apart. So I'm going to clean my bed sheet. Alright, sitting here with the VCR open, and I found potentially what's one of our problems. That's one of the belts, and it seems to be specifically the belt that does the eject function. So who knows, I might be able to get this fixed, I might not. This mechanism here, I can't hardly get that to turn at all, or actually maybe 100% not at all. So yeah, we'll probably have to put the VCR away or something. See all kinds of crud, and down there you can see carcasses from bugs, most likely even roaches that have been in there. So I'm putting it back together as is for right now. The belts are just turned to tar more or less. Yeah. Can't get that one off there too easily. Stuck to my fingers. And the estate sale person said that if it didn't have a home movie in it, don't worry about getting it out. Alright, just for reference, this shows you how the VCR comes in and out. It comes out to the front of the TV. Thought that was pretty neat to do that. Something I think is a bit strange. Watch this. So you got it unplugged. And what happened the other time was the TV came on without being, well, when I plugged it in, is what I'm trying to say. I haven't got any signal source hooked up yet. There's the plug pulled. Plug reinserted. Most of them go off when you do that. Now if you unplug it while it's turned off, it stays off.